Page after page, same shirt, same blonde model, same pose. This is why nobody's clicking your listings, and it has nothing to do with your design. Your design might be great, but the mock-up is what gets the click. And right now, you look like everyone else. So let's fix that. Most sellers do this. You finish your design, export the PNG, open a mockup tool, pay 20 bucks a month to use it, upload, reposition, download, re-upload to Printify, and half the time the shirt in the mockup doesn't even match the shirt you're selling. If you haven't started doing that yet, good. Don't. Because Printify just built the whole thing directly into the platform. Also available in our iOS app. And it's even better than the tools you'd be paying for. Here's what's different. Printify's AI mockup tool reads your actual product data, the fit, the dimensions, the exact print area. So the mockup isn't a guess, it's the shirt you're selling. Fewer surprises for your customers means fewer bad reviews. And as a new seller, reviews are the thing keeping you up at night. Most AI tools don't know what product you're selling. So you tweak the prompt, generate, it's wrong. Tweak again, still wrong. 20 minutes later, you've got something that kind of resembles your product. Printify skips all of that because the AI already knows. It even works for embroidered shirts. Look at the texture on that. The AI knows it's stitched, not printed. That's the product data doing the work. Let me show you how to create AI mockups for yourself now. Start in the catalog. Pick your product, and if you're not sure, a best-selling tee is a safe bet. I'll go with this comfort colors. The color range alone makes them worth featuring. Hit Start Designing, and inside the product creator, drop in your design and place it where you want it on the final product. Take your time. Always preview. This placement is what the AI is going to work with, so if it's off here, it'll be off in every mockup. When you're happy, save product. The mockup library opens. Click the tab that says AI Generated, then Generate Mockup. A panel opens with a few options. Product variant. Pick the color you want to feature. And quick tip, this is your thumbnail moment. The thumbnail is the single most important image in your entire listing. It's the one that earns the click on Etsy. Pick the color you expect to sell the most and put your best AI mockup in that slot first. Print area. Defaults to front. If your design's on the back, the sleeve, anywhere else, switch it here. Describe your AI mockup. This is where most beginners freeze. Prompting AI is genuinely hard, but Printify built in preset options for model type, age range, pose, and expression. You literally cannot write a bad prompt. You can also choose between a lifestyle photo with a model or just the product on its own. While you're here, match the model to who actually buys this product. Selling a meme shirt? Young model, urban setting. Selling something for outdoor enthusiasts? Older model, natural background. Same shirt, two completely different buyers. Get this right and your conversion does the work for you. Background. Preset styles or type a custom one. If you're new, start with the presets and learn what works. Hit Generate Mockup. In a short amount of time, you've got a lifestyle shot that would have cost you elsewhere. But before you use it, check it. AI still makes mistakes. 3 things to look for. Does the design sit naturally on the fabric or does it look pasted on? Does the lighting look real? Does it match your brand? If you like it, select Mockup. If something's off or you're just not feeling the vibe, regenerate. Same settings, new result. Keep going until you get one you'd actually pay for. And you're not stuck with one. Stay on the AI Generated tab and click Generate More with AI. Change the variant, the model, the pose. Build a full set of lifestyle photos for one product in one sitting. As a Printify Premium subscriber, you get 10 generations a day for now. Sounds like a limit until you realize you only need 3 good ones per listing. That's 3 listings a day, fully photographed for free. The counter resets every 24 hours. Click any photo to preview or download for further editing. Select the mockups you want, rearrange them, and finish your listing as you normally would. And this isn't only for new products. Got a listing that's been sitting there with no clicks? Go to My Products. Open the one you want to refresh, open the mockup library, and generate new AI mockups right there. One thing, republish afterward. If you skip that step, the new images won't show up in your store, and you'll wonder why nothing changed. Right now, AI mockups work for most bestsellers: apparel, embroidered shirts, home and living, with more categories coming. So here's where we landed. Old way, export, third-party tool, pay, re-upload, hope it looks okay. New way, one tab inside Printify. The AI already knows your product. If you're just starting out, skip the generic mockups entirely and go straight to AI generated. You'll look like a brand that's been doing this for years from your first listing. Open your Printify dashboard, pick a product you're working on, and generate your first AI mockup. And if you're selling embroidered products, then this next video is for you. That's where this tool gets really interesting.